Hi there, YouTube. Do you own this fuel Sawzall? Or are you thinking about buying this fuel Sawzall? Have you been looking at other competitors and you're saying to yourself, you know, I like that fuel Sawzall from Milwaukee and I like the M18 line. Have you said to yourself, I need more power, I need more runtime, and I need some orbital action too, that would help? Well, we got news for you. The next breakthrough is here in the M18 line from Milwaukee, and the very cool guys are here to report on it. Let's get started. So we're going to be talking about the new M18 Super Sawzall offering from Milwaukee. Just when you thought the fuel Sawzall couldn't get better, they raised that bar one more time, gave it corded power with cordless convenience and orbital action. Super excited. If there was one tool that was released at the MPS 2018 from Milwaukee that I am definitely going to get on the pre-order list, it's the new M18 Fuel Super Sawzall. Why am I so excited? I got to tell you, I'm a big fan of the Sawzall. Have been for years, you know, all the way from my corded 12 amp USA made Sawzall, okay, that I have. If you haven't seen the video where we pit it against a competitor, we'll link that video here. Did fairly well for a 15-year-old Sawzall. I also have the M18 Standard, the M18 Fuel, and quite frankly, I'm super excited to see the features such as orbital action hit the fuel line. To understand how good the new Super Sawzall is, let's put it up against its predecessor, the M18 Fuel Sawzall. We have them both up on the screen, and let's just go over the older offering. It says the M18 Fuel Sawzall Reciprocating Saw High Demand Kit. The M18 Fuel Sawzall Reciprocating Saw cuts faster than its corded counterparts, offers 98 cuts in 2x12 on one battery, and 5 times longer tool life than competitive saws. The Power State brushless motor provides cutting power that has only been associated with corded tools. The M18 Red Lithium High Demand 9.0 battery pack delivers 5 times more runtime, 35% more power, and runs 60% cooler than standard 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. It maintains full power and runs substantially cooler through heavy applications, allowing users to push their cordless tools harder and longer than ever before. The M18 Red Lithium High Demand 9.0 battery is fully compatible with 100 plus M18 tools. The 18-volt lithium-ion Sawzall features an adjustable shoe, integrated LED light, and hang hook for convenient storage on the job. I got to tell you, we own the saw, love the saw. It's a great saw. How could Milwaukee improve upon this saw? Well, let's see what they did. Let's read. The Super Sawzall. The super. They had to put that super in front of Sawzall. The Super Sawzall reciprocating saw delivers the power of a 15-amp corded reciprocating saw. So they're boldly claiming now that not only does it have the power of a corded tool, it is the full beast mode 15-amp corded version of the reciprocating saw that this Super Sawzall competes against. Faster cuts than a 15-amp reciprocating saws and delivers up to 150 cuts. So that's up 52 cuts from from its fuel predecessor. In 2x12 SPF per charge, designed to perform in the toughest applications, the M18 Fuel Super Sawzall combines Milwaukee's legendary performance and durability with the portability of the M18 platform. The Power State brushless motor provides 3,000 strokes per minute and higher speeds under load for corded cutting performance. RedLink intelligence ensures maximum performance and protection from overload, overheating, and over discharge, because nobody likes to be over discharged. The M18 Red Lithium high output HD 12.0 battery delivers unmatched runtimes in all applications. The 1.25-inch stroke length removes more material with each stroke. And on-off orbital action provides aggressive cuts in wood and smoother cuts in metal. And that's the one I've been waiting for. That orbital action to be added to the Sawzall, the Fuel Sawzall lineup. I'm waiting for it. Super excited for it. You're going to get more done. More cutting done per stroke. It's exciting. Variable speed trigger and 5-speed dial provide maximum speed control for any application. The quick lock blade clamp allows for toolless blade changes, and rafter hook provides a convenient way to store the saw between cuts. Let's scroll down to key features. I love this side-by-side platform. It's one thing to see the tools, side by side, but it's another thing to really be able to see side by side what they can do, what their specifications are. And that's why we love bringing these side-by-sides to you in this manner. So the key features of the predecessor here are delivers faster than corded cutting speed and the durability of a corded saw. RedLink Plus intelligence provides optimized performance and overload protection using tool system communication between tool, battery, and charger. Power State brushless motor supplies constant power for faster cuts and reduced heat for extended life. Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery pack provides superior pack construction, more work per charge, and more work over the life of the pack than competitive batteries. I find it pretty funny that as a key feature for this HD version, which includes the 9.0 saw, they're highlighting the 5.0. Now, let's read the key features of the Super Sawzall kit. We have a Power State brushless motor purposefully built. This motor was designed specifically for this Super Sawzall. It says purposely built for the M18 Fuel Super Sawzall to provide the power and performance of a 15-amp corded reciprocating saw. The Red Lithium high output HD 12.0 battery pack provides 50% more power and runs 50% cooler versus standard Red Lithium HD packs. Superior pack construction provides the industry best protection against job site conditions. RedLink Plus intelligence ensures optimal performance, provides overload protection to prevent damage to the tool battery during heavy application while still maintaining compatibility across the M18 system. Okay, now let's get on to the key features specific to this saw. We have variable speed control and five-speed dial provide ultimate speed control. An LED light for increased accuracy and visibility, which they had on the outgoing Fuel saw as well. Quick lock blade clamp for toolless blade changes. That's a carryover from the previous line. But what isn't a carryover? The 1.25 stroke length removes more material with each stroke. So that longer stroke length is specific to the new Super Sawzall in the M18 line. It was available in the corded version only of the Super Sawzall. No other Sawzall had that 1.25 stroke. Integrated rafter hook for easy storage between cuts. Adjustable shoe extends the life of the blade. Compatible with all M18 batteries and tools. If we look at our battery specifications, they're both 18 volt. Battery system is the M18. We have a length of the outgoing tool of 18.5 inches. The incoming Super Sawzall, 18.9 inches. Stroke length, 1 1/8 inches on the outgoing Fuel model, and 1.25 inches on the incoming 12.0 equipped Super Sawzall. Strokes per minute have remained the same. 3,000 for the outgoing and 3,000 for the incoming, but orbital on and off is available with the new Super Sawzall. It was not available on the outgoing Fuel. Let's get to the heaviest specification of all, weight. The outgoing unit weighs in at 7.4 pounds. The incoming unit is 8.8 pounds. So 1.4 pounds more for the incoming Super Sawzall. Keep that in mind if you're going to be using this saw day in, day out, lugging it around, doing demo work. You're going to have to be toting around an extra 1.25 pounds in tool weight In addition to get the full potential out of your new Super Sawzall, you're going to want to be outfitting it with that high output 12.0 amp hour battery from Milwaukee. I mean, this thing is a marvel in how much power that it actually puts out to these tools, how cool it runs, but with that extra power comes an extra pound compared to the 9.0 battery weighing in at 2.4 pounds. This 12.0 amp hour battery weighs in at 3.4 pounds. So not only do you have the additional weight of the tool, you will also, to get the full potential out of that tool, need to be carrying around an extra pound of battery weight. If you like all this information about the M18 Super Sawzall released at the MPS 2018 and how it compares to its predecessor, the Standard Fuel, it's almost funny calling it the Standard Fuel M18 Sawzall. If you like all that information, smash that like button. Get subscribed because we're going to be doing more and more side-by-sides, sharing this information as we get it. We're possibly going to be pitting this Super Sawzall against a very close competitor from another manufacturer. Smash that like button, get subscribed, and tap that bell icon if you want to see it happen. Also, let us know down in the comments section, are you going to be placing that pre-order at Acme Tools? $399 for the M18 Fuel Super Sawzall kit just to get on a list. Will you be placing your hard-earned money down for the new Super Sawzall kit? I got to tell you, I think I'm going to. Hashtag just saying. Let us know down in the comments section. Or are you going to be going out and snatching up all the deals on the M18 Fuel Sawzalls at the big box stores that are going to be blowing them out? Let us know down in the comments section below. But as always, thanks a lot, and have a great day, everybody. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.